Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can prevent any websites to redirects. Use redirect or send pop-ups ad on your Chrome. So here you can try to click three dots at the top of your screen and click on settings. And go to the privacy and security and click on site settings. Control what information sites can use and show. Scroll down and you can access a pop-ups and redirects under the content. Click. Now I choose do not allow site to send pop-ups or use redirect because it's annoyed me. You can also use this. Sites might send pop-ups to show ads or use redirects to lead you to website you may not want to visit. So please, I recommend you to click this to do not allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. But not all sites can block the redirect or pop-ups. Maybe there are some advanced sites that can send you pop-ups, ads, or use redirects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.